This is delicious. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, press that red button for more videos. If you are returning viewers, please help me to press that red button. Please share my video with your friends and family. So in this video we want to prepare 4-in-1 vegetable. Okay, so this is my scent leaf, this is bitter leaf, and this is amaranth leaf, which is green leaf, green vegetable. Okay, so this is daddy head leaf. Okay, so this is my onion, and this is scotch bonnet with onion. So I have my meat here. This is dry fish and goat meat and fresh fish, mackerel fish, so and cow skin. Okay, so I have my salt here. This is sisal cubes. I have locust beans. This is my crayfish. So this is red oil. So follow me as I want to prepare this food. I've already washed this before, so I want to put it inside pots and boil it. The meat is ready. This is onion with locust beans. So I want to pour it inside the oil. Don't open it up. So beautiful people, my pot is too small, so I want to use the big one for the vegetable. So it's too small. So, garden head leaf, bitter leaf, scent leaf, this is our big pot of vegetable. Thank you for watching. Please press that red button for more videos. Thank you. This is delicious. This is nice. So beautiful people, our vegetable is ready. I want to take it down. This is our big pot of 4-in-1 vegetable. See? So beautiful people, this is our vegetable, 4-in-1 vegetable. This is bitter leaf, amaranth leaf, and scent leaf, okay, and garden egg leaf. Please share my video with your friend and family. Subscribe, press that red button for more videos. Okay, thank you very much. See you on my next video, and watch how we want to use to eat this delicious vegetable. Okay, see you on my next video.